everyone, I'm Nadia and welcome back to my channel, All Things Nell. On my channel, we discuss all things health and wellness, all things food and nutrition, and all things skincare and beauty. So guys, today we are in my kitchen and I'm about to whip up a really good green juice for you guys. So as you guys know, winter is approaching. It's already fall season and you know the sniffles are coming on. So yeah, we definitely need that green juice packed with vitamins that's gonna pump up the volume, that's gonna protect our immune system, that's gonna boost our immune system so we can fight this cold off this season, especially with all that's going on right now. So if you guys are interested in seeing what green juice I'm making today, then please keep on watching. So guys, here's what you're gonna need. Here are all the ingredients that you will need to make this green juice a powerful one that is gonna boost your immune system. Let's go. So we're gonna need water. I'm using alkaline water. I always use alkaline water for my green juices. And of course, and guys, please excuse my nails for this video. They're looking horrible, but the show must go on. So here I have my Teamy Greens Superfood Blend. I'm gonna be using some healthy oil, which is avocado oil. Some ground cinnamon. Some elderberry syrup, guys. Some vitamin C capsules. And the elixir of all elixirs. This is an essential oil, guys. You don't have to use this, but guys, when I tell you I don't want any cold this season, I don't want any cold this season. So I usually, to be honest with you guys, I usually take the flu shot like around October every year, or not every year. I think I've done it like twice before and it really helped my immune system. Like, guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. Whenever I take the flu shot, guys, I never get sick. For some people, it's the total opposite, but I never get sick. Now, due to the virus, I'm working from home full time, so hopefully I'm good. This is all that I will need. As I said, this is optional. You don't need this, but I don't want to get sick at all, okay? So yeah, this is Zane Hella's oil of oregano, and this is 100% pure essential oil of oregano. So guys, you want to be careful with this. If you're gonna use it, just one drop is okay. And I would say, guys, please do your research on this before using it. Speak to your doctor first. I've done my research on it. I've been educated on it. So this is why I'm using it, but this is totally optional. And I may use, if you guys like a little bit of sweetener, I may use just a toops, like a little bit. So I may just use a toops of sugar. This is coconut sugar. I steer clear from white sugar. So you can use honey, you can use a little honey, and you can, just sweeten to taste. Or I would recommend I would recommend using some good old brown sugar or coconut sugar. And of course, you're definitely gonna need some milk. So guys, I don't use dairy milk. I use coconut milk, I sometimes use almond milk, and I sometimes use oat milk. And guys, I get all my milks unsweetened. So it's up to me after purchasing to just add my sweetener if I choose to do so. But I never get my milk sweetened, always unsweetened. And I think guys, because sugar is so detrimental to our health, I think it's best that we always just get in the habit of getting your milk unsweetened, and then you can sweeten after with healthy sweeteners, like a little bit of honey, coconut sugar, to your liking. So I'm gonna be using a cup of coconut milk. Some cinnamon. My super immune, which is my elderberry syrup. Just shake it up a little bit. And guys, for the elderberry syrup, it's an amazing elixir. So it comes from a very special berry. So guys, again, read up. Just go ahead and read up about elderberry syrup. It is truly amazing. It is really good. It is really powerful for your immune system. For your matcha green powder, all you need is a tablespoon, guys. Like here I have a scoop. Like all you need for the matcha green tea powder, it's a scoop. And I'm gonna add some protein powder to it because I rarely eat meat. So I always make sure I just add some vegan powder to my recipe. And again, all you need is a scoop. 1 drop of my oregano oil, or 2, I think we're gonna use 2. And guys, in order for this powerful immune boosting green juice to work, you're gonna need some vitamin C. And guys, vitamin C, it's awesome. I take 2 capsules per day, sometimes in tea. Okay guys, so I think I added a little bit, like just a toops of coconut sugar to give it, give it a little taste. So now we are gonna blend. I've stirred, guys. I've stirred and shake, but I like to blend for that smooth finish. And I'm gonna blend for about a minute, guys. I'm extra, so yeah, I'm gonna blend for about a minute. So I usually blend twice to make sure it's kind of nice and frothy. That's how I like it. Here we go, ladies and gents. So now guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the freezer for like 30 minutes or so. And guys, I usually have this for breakfast. You can have this any time of day. For a pick-me-up snack, I have this for breakfast because it's packed with so much nutrition. This alone is great for my breakfast. So yeah, I'm gonna put it in the freezer, or you can put it in the fridge, let it cool for an hour, or you can put it in the freezer and let it cool for about 30 minutes. Cheers to good health. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a like, subscribe, share, and make sure to comment down below. And guys, please go ahead, try this green juice. Let me know what you think of it, because I promise you guys, I drink this green juice every single day, and I can guarantee if you do this recipe or something similar to it, the sniffles are not going to catch up to you, because this powerful green juice is gonna fight and make your immune system as strong and powerful as possible. So once again guys, I am Nadia. This is my channel, All Things Now. Make sure to share, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next one.